What's up, Peak Timers? Today we've got the brand new Fast and Furious off-road set. We've got 5 cars in this set. Let's go ahead, open them up, and get a close-up look at them. And here we are with car number 1. We've got the Subaru Impreza WRX STI. Check out the livery on this one. Looks amazing. And there is your artwork on there, and it's 1 of 5 from the Furious off-road as it specifies. This is a Hot Wheels premium set. And on the back, we'll look at this card so we can see all the different cars that are included with this set. But let's go ahead and unbox the Impreza WRX STI. We can get a nice close-up look at this one. And obviously the one that I've been talking about with the livery on here that looks really, really cool. The speckle paint job on there as well. Nice blackened front end on it. The Real Rider tires on there. Great all-around premium casting of the Subaru WRX STI. And moving on to car number 2 of 5 from this set, it's the 1991 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. You guys know how much I love Mercedes, especially these G-Class. Check out the artwork on there. Looks really neat. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and we can get a look at this one. I believe this one has like a matte finish paint job on there. It is. It's a very matte finish. It's hard to tell. What is it, like a kind of a greenish color? Nice big Real Riders on there. I like these like thick tires on there. Those look really, really neat. Add the touch of it, and there we go. We got the Mercedes-Benz logo on the front. Good detail on the front of it. We move around to the back. We've got even the little Mercedes-Benz all written just right there on the spare tire on there. Really nice detail for this one. I really, really like this one. And car number 3 of 5 from the set is the Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. We've seen a lot of different Land Rovers come out from Hot Wheels lately, and this is definitely not a disappointment. This one is fantastic looking. Let's go ahead and take this one out and get a close-up look at it as well. And this one, it also kind of has like a little bit of a matte finish on the side of it, but then it's got a nice glossy roof, and it's actually a plastic roof on there, which is kind of interesting. We'll look to the back. I like the detail, very, very nice. Even the little details right there, the Land Rover from the side. And also this one has the nice, really big, thick tires on there, just like the G-Class had as well. Land Rover written on there, great detail on the front. These premium cars are just becoming just better and better each time they come out with these new sets of them. This one just looks great. And we move on to car number 4 of 5. It is the 67 off-road Camaro. This looks like a jacked up raised Camaro with kind of the push bar on the front and back. Let's go ahead and pop it open, get a look at this one here. And this one is featured in a silver color. It's a nice looking silver color, very not really sparkly or anything, but just kind of glossy looking. And there's that push bar on the back of it. Look at those big thick tires on there as well for off-roading. And in the front, we've got that cowl hood right there, and we've got the push bar on the front end as well. It's a very, very hardcore looking one. And even it's got this, I'm not sure exactly what this is. I think that was like, was that the window maybe for them to stand out of and shoot out of in the movie? Possibly. Correct me in the comments about that one, guys, but this one looks great. I like the Camaro as well. And last but definitely not least, we've got the Hummer H1, and I was a big Hummer H1 fan growing up. This one looks great. We've seen a lot of different Hummer H1 castings made by Hot Wheels, and this might be one of the first premium ones. Can't really remember any premium castings before. It's kind of got that military-esque look to it. It's a little bit matte finish paint job on there, the big thick tires on there to go, as most of these ones did have. We got the Hummer on the back, nice detail on the back, the lights and all that. And on the front, we've got the big push bar on there as well. And check it out. Wow, great detail. I love, love, love this one. Looks fantastic. Hummer H1. And there we have them, guys, all 5 cars from the Fast and Furious off-road set. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from this set, and make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.